Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Gangsta T. Today I need some feedback, you know what I mean, on these beats I made, a couple of joints I made, man. I had to come out. Motherfuckers kept calling me out, you know what I mean? Like, yo, you ain't making no beats no more, this and that. I was chilling, man. Train don't stop because I stopped, you know what I mean? I had to take a break, get my thoughts together and shit, but I'm back, you know what I mean? So, you already know. If you like it, like it. If you don't, I'm gonna take this ride with me. Alright, I got a phone call like a week ago. Asked me why I stopped making beats with samples in them. You know what I mean? And I really didn't have an answer for them. So, I'm ready to get back into my sample mode a little bit. This is my first one I made in a while. You know what I mean? So, I need y'all input on this one. Should I, on some 88.9 type shit, you know what I mean? Trash been that bitch, or send them out. You know what I mean? I ain't mix it down to none of that shit. I just put it together. You know, baby. Tell me what y'all think, though. Shit out you. Man, wow, come on, boy. See, you need one of these on the album, though. I'ma check it out, though. See what your album about, though. I fuck with your work ethic for real. Little breakdown, you know what I mean? For the love of money, people will rob their own brother. That shit is the truth for real. Alright. In the comments, tell me what y'all think. If you like it, like it. If you don't, you know, I like constructive criticism. You know what I mean? That's motivation to me when the person tell me they don't like a beat. That make me go back in the kitchen, the lab, wherever I'm at, and make a better beat. You know what I mean? I don't stop because somebody else don't like something. Shit, I go back to the drawing board and make some other shit. I got another one called Crazy Feelings or something I made last night. I didn't mix this joint down either. It's a little fast pitch, but once again in the comments, let me know what y'all think. My big toe in this bitch. Everywhere. Y'all make sure you put your 808s in the right key, man. Y'all think in the comments. King. Hey, where y'all at? Child, I ain't forget about you, but I know you working now. Yeah, I'm waiting for you too. Got some R&B shit for you. That's that one. Made that joint last night. Alright. Like I said, I've been working. Tell me what you think in the comments. All them rappers I just named, I got beats for all y'all, man. I got y'all. Got y'all. All I want is go into the BMI accounts, ASCAP, whoever you with, and give me my percentage. That's all. Shit. Should we do it like that? I might fuck with you on the back end. Let's make some money on the back end. Just push your music. You know what I mean? Shit, that shit don't stop. Once you go to the studio and record a song, and make a song, you just got that motherfucker sitting in your email, your phone, your computer, doing nothing. Yeah, you gotta get that motherfucker mixed down, engineered and shit. Put a little bit of money behind the paper and push that motherfucker. Put your fingers to work. Share that motherfucker over in Russia somewhere. You know what I mean? You gotta get your friends to share your shit, man. That's why I fuck with them groups and shit. I go to little groups and you know what I mean, and kick the bobo with people that listen to the same music I like and like the same type of music I like, and we just politic. The same shit you do on the streets, man, when you out there doing whatever you do. Whatever your preference is, whatever your occupation is, whatever, you know how you talk your shit. Talk your shit in your music, man. If you think you're the best of whatever you do, you know what I mean, don't let nobody never tell you this and that. I mean, you can listen, you always listen, you feel me? But don't let them fuck your craft up, you know what I mean? If anything, you want to add to your craft. You don't never want to take away from your shit. You know what I mean? You want to add your shit, you know what I mean? Tweak certain things. Don't never let a motherfucker discourage you from off your shit, yo. No matter what you doing. That's the truth right there. What's that other joint? Oh, the one burn one. I did this a couple of days. I think this the one I went live with right here. I'm gonna play it again for this. Probably some people want to see that video. This another joint right here. This on my YouTube page right here. When I made this, I'm showing y'all how I made this joint right here. Hold on, I'm Gangsta T on YouTube. That's that day I think I was ahead. Fuck with that kick. I was ahead. Fuck with that kick. Yeah, but I'm gonna start doing this a lot more, man. That's another thing in the comments. If y'all want me to keep it up, you know what I mean, going live and shit, little videos and shit, let me know. You know what I mean? I share my little shit with y'all. Y'all know I do this for y'all for real. I'd have been stopped. If I was in my inbox like, yo, where the music at? Yo, what you doing? So I picked it back up. You know what I mean? Alright. Once again, thanks for coming. You know what I mean? My name is Gangsta T. You could have been anywhere else, but you was here with me, the boy, chilling. You know what I mean? Once again, thanks for coming to my page. Boy Gangsta T.